Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Parrikar to retire after this tenure. I will not contest next election, says CM in an exclusive interview to Prudent, affirms that he will not change his decision. Three PWD engineers suspended in connection with PWD contractor Harmalkar's suicide case. Chief Minister says he would hand over the case to Crime Branch and Anti-Corruption Bureau for investigation. Miscreants damaged 9 crosses of remembrance in Diwar Cemetery. Skeletal remains from graveyard removed and placed in front of houses of local residents. Old Goa police arrest 3 suspects. Fishing ban comes in force from Friday midnight. Most mechanized fishing vessels drop anchor. No deep sea fish for Goinkar till 31st July. And Goan sports associations face common problems. Lack of coaches and infrastructure is hurting, says state sports bodies. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has declared that he will retire after completing this 5-year term of the government. He made this sensational announcement during a special interview to Prudent on completion of 100 days in office. Parrikar says he will not be into active politics and the decision will not change at any cost or pressure.
ही 5 वर्सां जाली की ना म्हाका परत इलेक्शन लडोवपाची इच्छा मातूय ना. आय एम सो क्लियर अबाउट म्हणजे हाजेर म्हाका कोणें प्रेशर सुद्दां हाडलें जाल्यार आय वील नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. आय वॉन्ट टू लीव लास्ट 10 years ऑफ माय लायफ टू फॉर मी.
पार्टी लोकांचो प्रेशर आयल्यार सुद्दां
देर आर पार्टीचो रेस्पेद एका पॉयंटा पर्यंत हांव डेफिनेटली दवरता, पण काही निर्णय वैयक्तीक आसता. म्हजो वैयक्तीक निर्णय आसा की 5 वर्सां जाली आनी परत आनी मुख्यमंत्री पद बी नाका, निवडणूकूय नाका.
हांव वेगळे तरेन विचारता इतल्याच खातीर कारण क्लॅरिटी येवन घडये ह्या 5 वर्सां उपरांत जर मनोहर पर्रीकाराची इमेज राष्ट्रीय पातळीचेर खूब टॉल जाली आनी जर पक्षाक तुमची थंय गरज पडली जाल्यार तुमी आसतले काय ना?
व्हेरी क्लियर डिसायडेड. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी इन एक्टिव्ह पॉलिटिक्स. हांवें शब्द वापरला एक्टिव्ह पॉलिटिक्स. एक्टिव्ह म्हणजे इलेक्शनाचे पॉलिटिक्स आफ्टर दीस टर्म.
So you will train your successor in next 5 years.
You can watch this exclusive interview on Sunday at 4 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. and on Monday at 7:30 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
3 PWD engineers are suspended in connection with PWD contractor Harmalkar's suicide case. Executive engineer, assistant engineer and technical engineer of PWD have been suspended. Chief Minister says he would hand over the case to Crime Branch and Anti-Corruption Bureau for investigation. Chief Minister completed 100 days in office on 17 June.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हरमलकार म्हणून जीव दिवन मेल्लो पळय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हरमलकारूच मरतो. ताजो रिपोर्ट जो आतां आयलो ताज्या आदाराचेर आय हॅव डायरेक्टेड 3 engineers टू बी सस्पेंडेड बिकॉज दे वर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर गिविंग हिम एडवांस without any proper procedure. In fact, the word used by a collector is fraudulent exercise of giving advance. And I have written on my noting, this advance as per my information goes was given for kickback to be paid. Mining the corruption was at peak. It is still there. All people have not changed. The people who have got links, even in mines department. The only way is go on punishing people who are caught without any fear or favor, and then people who do this kind of things, get scared out of it. And तुवें म्हाका मायनीचें विचारलें न्हय, my note has moved to anti-corruption already. We are not going by normal inquiry proceeding. We are doing an anti-corruption exercise of, because it has much more than normal disciplinary inquiry. तामणकार वो बस मालक काय बस एक्टिविस्ट? आर्टिस्ट मग करून मरे ताणें काम, ताका हांव ताका काय म्हणना. आय हॅव नो ऑब्जेक्शन टू इज डुईंग द जॉब, बट देन पॉलिसी इज डिफरंट इशू and activism is different issue. He is mixing policy with activism. For example, he mentioned that Parrikar was स्वतः इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट असल्यामुळे, ताणें स्वताची फॅक्टरी असल्यामुळे आयडीसीन ताणें आयडीसीचो चेअरमॅन जावचें न्ही.
A video journalist from Panji, Sushant Pal.
Desecration by miscreants in local cemetery led to tension in Diwar on Friday. 9 crosses of remembrance in Diwar cemetery were damaged on Thursday night. Miscreants also removed the skeletal remains from a well inside the graveyard and placed them in front of the post office and houses of some local residents. Old Goa police have arrested 3 suspects in this connection.
आयज आमकां गमला की आमच्या शिमितेरीन फुरीस मोडले रातचे लोकांनी येवन, आनी फुरीसूच न्हू ते स्काल पासून घेवन गेले आनी लोकांच्या घरांचेर मांडले फुडल्यान पोस्ट ऑफिसा कडेन. So now they are investigating the matter. We hope की बेग्याक गोम कोणे केलां.
डावट आहा तुमकां?
डावट रातचे हें जालां आनी आमकां दिसना की कोण आमी जाणा हें केल्या पळय. खबर ना, कित्याक की आमची शिमितीर इगोर्जेच्या वयर पडटा दोंगरार, हिंगा लोक रातचो चडसो येना.
PR of Goa Police John Aguirre says that Old Goa Police have registered offence against unknown accused for hurting religious feelings.
कॅजेटन सिल्वेरा म्हणून गोलते नावेलीचो रेसिडेंट, ताणें कंप्लेंट लॉन्च केल्या ओल्ड गोवा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर की तांची ती हें आसा ग्रेवयार्ड आसा सिमिट्री, तांची सिमिट्रीचे ग्रेवाचेर आशिल्ले 9 कुरीस कोणे तरी अननोन पर्सन ताणें काडले. तशेंच ती बांय आसा पळय हाडांची, तातूंतले 6 कवट्यो काडल्यो आनी भायर एक पोस्ट ऑफिसा कडेन, एक कंप्लेंटाच्या घरा कडेन, घराच्या भायर अश्यो भायर वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यांचेर दवरल्यो.
A video journalist from Panji, Sushant Pal and Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.